Well, hi there. This is Cindy. You've joined me on the Garden Revelry channel, and you have joined me on a day where I'm in battle, much to my chagrin. This morning started with me moving in many of my kind of treasured tropicals, either huddling them together under the eaves or moving them into my shed. This Thai lime is one of those plants, and in looking at it, I always kind of do give it a good look before I move them inside or move them close together. And this guy has scale. And I'm so sad because scale's really challenging to get rid of. I'm ready for battle. I'm gonna give it a go, and you can join me in seeing how I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do it in the most organic means possible because it isn't edible. I do take some of these leaves and crunch them up and use them in some Thai dishes. I also love the fruit. It's truly, I'm not letting go of it. I'm gonna fight for it. It's one of my most prized possessions. I've had it for, gosh, I want to say 4 or 5 years. I had it in a 1 gallon is how when I purchased it. I've loaned it out. I loaned it out to APLD for their display garden last year. And anyways, I'm fighting for it. So you get to join me in the fight today. Lucky you. And so let's just get to it, and I'll show you my method, and we'll just kind of follow and see if it works. We'll check in on it in about 10 days. Trying to hit each leaf. You can see stuff came off right there. I don't know if you can see that, but you can also use a toothbrush to kind of lightly, I'm gonna have to pick that up, get at them. I've mixed the fine horticultural oil according to instructions and covered the planter and surrounding area with a cloth to protect the surface from potential oil stains. I'm spraying the tops and the underside of the leaves along the stems, trying to give it the best coverage possible. Horticultural oil works by suffocating the insects and their eggs, so only works where it's landed. 10 days later, I'm here with my prized Thai lime, and again, we're battling scale. So it's better, but I still have scale. So this is gonna be step 2, and it's just a repeat of step 1. I'm gonna use my glasses because I can see the little stinkers better when my glasses are on. And just wipe down these leaves. Oh, it's so bad. I'm in battle. I'm not letting go of this plant. I'm not gonna lose you. But he also doesn't get to come inside, and it's getting colder. But there's no way I'm bringing him in. So today I'm just gonna wipe down the leaves because it is pretty chilly outside, and so to spray with and it's windy, so to spray with a horticultural oil is not gonna be great for the plant because of the temperature, and it's because of the wind, it's not gonna be great for me. I'm not gonna be able to get the plant. Look, these leaves are just falling off. But scale. Yuck. So, okay, well, again, this is why you want to check your plants before you bring them indoors or huddle them together when thinking about protecting some of those tropicals and tenders for winter, because you don't want to take a problem and then spread it. So this guy is going to be confined to this corner a little bit longer, and we'll keep checking in and seeing if we can win the battle. And oh, I see a live one. Got him. We'll see if we can we can rally the plant. We'll see what we can do. So